Oo. Hawakan mo to dito ka. Papakainin ko ng ubas. Yan lang ah.
What makes those conditions different? Dove gives superior moisturization. While the other may dry or damage the hair, Dove makes hair softer, smoother, and absolutely beautiful. The difference is Dove.
Ingat niya pa tablet ah.
Uy, nagtatablet ako. Huwag ka magulo. Ilan na nakakain ni Kian? Ha?
Hmm?
Ilan na nakakain ni Kian?
Don't like na? Grabe, makapangus. Ah. No more na. No more.